is Linda. This is our factory plant. Take it. This is the group packing machine. This is the carton ordinary packing for the use stores. Follow with me. I will show you our bevel sharp cutting machine. This is our 7 blades paper straw making machine. 3 layers. Today is 29 April. You can take it. This line is for our Philippines custom thin blade. This one is the slitting machine, 640 millimeters slitting machine. And this line is the same blade paper straw making machine for our Argentina customer. This is with the journal feeding machine and the bevel straw grub packing machine in line. This is our adaptable. And this one is our 9 blade paper straw making machine under process. And this one is our single straw packing machine. And this one is a single straw packing machine also. Slitting machine. This line is our paper stick making machine. The funnel like this. Paper stick. And this is the nine blade paper straw making machine. This is our new type 1 blade paper straw making machine. The speed is 115 to 200 millimeters per minute. It's about 615 pieces per minute. And this is the bevel sharp, high-speed bevel sharp cutting machine. You asked me in the WhatsApp. You asked me on Saturday night. High speed. Because when you need to adjust the rollers, only need to. This high-speed bevel sharp machine can cut 3 millimeter to 12 millimeters. When you change the diameter, only change to the mode, to this part. We have a 4 stage under process. Process high-speed one, and this is a low-speed one, low-speed bevel sharp cutting machine. This one is our I sent to our Canada customer contact machine. He buy this low-speed bevel sharp cutting machine. We have 3 sets under process. You can take it. And this one speed is about 500 pieces per minute. The cutting diameter from 5 to 12 millimeters. High speed one is 1,500 pieces per minute. This can slitting diameter from 3 to 12 millimeters. And follow me. These are for for the paper straw making machine, the glue system. This is automatic glue system. Two sets under process. Belt conveyor. These are papers customer buys from the Argentina customer. These are bending machine for bending and bending straws. These are bending machine, and these are bending machine also. The diameter for the 3.8. These are U-packing machine, like this. After bending, make the U-packing machine like U-pack straw like this. This product mostly sold to India market. And this one is the high-speed bevel shop cutting machine. This is whole line with two belts, two belts. We'll adjust this stitching machine to debugging it. You can see it. This paper's width is 15 millimeter.